Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type on an image in Google Docs. First, put your cursor where you want to insert the image. So in my case, I'm going to put it here. After that, go to Insert, Drawing, New Drawing. Now upload an image with the image box. Here it is. I'm going to insert one from Google. So here it is. Then click on the text box. Select the area you want to type in. Put your text here. After that, adjust color and size as your choice. Save and close. So here our image with text in our Google Doc. This is how to insert or type on any image in Google Doc.